Good morning to all of you. Myself Naren Sahu, and today we will discuss about mobile computing and application. The points that which will cover are what is mobile computing, comparison to wired network, why Go Mobile, types of wireless devices, application of mobile computing, challenges in mobile computing, and conclusion. So, what is mobile computing? The mobile computing consists of two terms. The first one is mobile and the second one is computing. The basic means of mobile is not stationary, whereas the computing is the activity of developing and using computer technology, including hardware and software. So we can define this: mobile computing is a technology that allows anytime, anywhere and everywhere computing. So in other terms, mobile computing can be defined as a computing environment over physical mobility, such that user of a mobile computing environment will be able to access data, information or other logical objects from any device in a network while on move. So mobile computing is what? Mobile computing is the process of computation on a mobile device. In such computation, a set of distributed computer system, service providers or service participants connect and synchronize through mobile communication protocol. So this is a basic definition of mobile computing. So we can define this: mobile computing is a technology that allows transmission of data, voice and video via a computer or any other wireless enabled device without having to be connected to a fixed physical link. So in mobile computing, we need mobile communication, mobile hardware and mobile software. Some of the other definitions are mobile computing is using a computer while on the move. The next one is mobile computing is when a process is moved from a normal fixed position to a more dynamic position. Next one, mobile computing is when a process is carried out somewhere where it was not previously possible. Mobile computing is an umbrella term used to describe technologies that enable people to access network services any place, anytime and anywhere. So the next point is comparison to wired network. We have wired network and mobile network. The basic difference are here. Wired network has very high bandwidth, whereas mobile network has very low bandwidth. The second point is wired network having low bandwidth variability, whereas mobile network has high bandwidth variability. And next one is can listen on wire in wired network, whereas in mobile network hidden terminal problem. The next one is in wired network high power machines, whereas in mobile network low power machines. In wired network high resources machines, whereas mobile network low resources machines. Wired network needed physical access, whereas mobile network needed proximity, whereas in wired network low delay and mobile network high delay. In wired network we have connected operations, whereas in mobile network disconnected operations. Why Go Mobile? we have to go with mobile because it provides certain kind of facility which help us to any kind of our business or any kind of work which can be done very easily. It enables anywhere, anytime connectivity. It brings computer communications to area without pre-existing infrastructure. The next one is it enables mobility. The next one is it enables new applications and an exciting new search area. So that's why we go with mobile, because it always improve to research work and improve to pre-existing infrastructure which is not totally developed. With the help of mobile, we can again improving our previously done work. Types of wireless devices. There are certain kind of wireless devices. Some of the here laptop, phone top, PDA, cell phone, pager, sensor, and many more. The full form PDA is personal digital assistant. Application of mobile computing. So in which field we can apply mobile computing? Some of here in state agents, in courts, in companies, in stock information collection, credit card verification, taxi truck dispatch, electronic mail, and many. So what are the basic challenges in mobile computing? The first one is disconnection. So what happens when network failure is of greater concern to mobile computing because of its design, then traditional design, because wireless communication is susceptible to disconnection. The next one is low bandwidth. Low bandwidth means network bandwidth is divided among the user sharing a cell. The bandwidth per user is an important measure of network capacity. When available bandwidth does not satisfy the demand of all users, it will be waiting and should be given a priority. High bandwidth variability. In mobile computing, design have greater variation in network bandwidth. Bandwidth can shift 1 to 4 orders of magnitude. Traffic causes this much variation in a network. Next one is low power and resources. Because of this, mobile computing consume very low power and many more resources. So that's why it is very challenging to overcome any kind of problem arises between the process. The next one is security risk. Because of the connection to a wireless link so easy, the security of wireless communication can be easily compromised then wired, especially to be transmission extend over a large area. This increases the pressure of mobile computing software designed to include the security concern. Secure communication over insecure channel is accomplished by encryption. Security depends on a secret encryption key. Only non-authorized party managing this key securely is also very difficult. And the next one is wide variety of terminals and devices with different capabilities. Next one is device attributes. And the last one is fit for more functionality into single smaller and other devices. Future of mobile computing. So as the new technology invented, we can use and implement new technology into mobile computing, such as machine learning, deep learning, neural network, artificial intelligence, very helpful and improving in mobile computing technologies. So the conclusion is that mobile computing has several limitations. However, it is far impossible, and technology improves all the time. There are lots of challenges. Some have solution and many more are still waiting to be solved. Thank you.